Hi, Edwin here. In this video we'll show you how to install a theme. First of all, when you are on the downloads page, you will download the theme and the two import files, and you do that by right clicking it and then save as, and save it at any location that you can remember. So make sure not to click this normally, but right click it and then select save as, and you see it here in Dutch, but in your version most likely it would be in English saying save as. So once you've done that, you go to your dashboard from your website where you're going to install this, and then go to Appearance, Themes, Install Themes, then Upload, and then you click the button and then you select the zip file from the theme. Okay, when you've done that, you click Install Now and activate. So that is very normal, very as it should be. The next one that you do is go to Tools, Import, and then you select WordPress, and then you select the file, and you select fitnessportal1.xml that you just saved. And when you click that, and you click Open, and you click Upload File and Import, and this takes a minute, maybe two, depending on the hosting of your site, and then you get to the next screen. So if it takes a little bit, don't worry, it's normal because it's a very big file and it's going to import all the posts and the attachments and things like that. Okay, then you get this screen, import into WordPress, assign authors, then you select admin, because otherwise I'll be the author of your post and I don't want that. Import attachment, yes please, so make this a selected and then you click submit, and I won't because I'm in the demo site, but click submit. When that's done, and that also takes maybe a minute, maybe two, depending on the speed of your site, then you go again to the same screen, import, WordPress, select file, and then you select Fitness Portal number 2. Quite not obvious. And then you do the same steps again. Okay. When you've done that, you go to Settings, Reading, and you put Front Page Display on a static page, and you select this one. Now, you don't have to use this page, but if you don't use that, then you create a new page, add new, and you give the title that you want, new homepage, and of course you don't put new homepage over there, but just for the example. And then over here, make sure to select the homepage template. So in the right side, and if you changed your admin to look at otherwise, then I don't know where you left it, but normally this is in the right side. Then there's template, and you can select homepage template. By doing that, and click publish, and then you go to reading again, and you select the name of the page that you just created, that you want it to be the home page. If you don't do that, and if you select another page and you don't use the home page template, the front end will not look like it does over here. And if you want it like that, then it's fine. But if you see something else on the front page, then the first thing that you should do is the front page selected, and is it the page that I used with a homepage template? If it doesn't, then that is the solution. So before you ask, if you see something on the front page that doesn't look like with the sliders, with those icons of the best selling, and this part, and over here, and that, then you already know that you haven't selected the page that is having the homepage template. So the next one that I always do is setting the permalinks. And I make sure that it is the post name. But you are totally free to use any structure that you like, but I always use this one, so I wanted to show that. So now we come to the options of the theme itself. The first part, very important, enter your associate ID or tracking ID. I didn't put it over here that tracking ID is also possible, so you don't have to put your main associate ID, but you can always put a tracking ID, and Amazon gives you the opportunity to enter by default 250 tracking IDs, but if you need more you can ask and you can get up to 1000 tracking IDs. And I always say use it, because then you know where sales come from. Public key, obvious. I've got in a manual explained if you don't know where you can get the public and the secret keys. I have that in the manual, so make sure to look that. But these two need to be entered as well, because those are used to fetch new products from the categories, to fetch related products, to fetch things like images and stuff like that. So those need to be entered, and just make sure that you entered it correctly. Always use and always know that Amazon only accepts one set of active keys. So don't start creating new keys because you think I've got something new, so I need to make a new public and secret key. Don't do that. Always use the same set, and if it works, don't change it. And only change it if you think that it's compromised, but don't change it normally. General settings, the logo, banner. If you don't enter anything over here, the banner will be this one, and it will be having your associate ID that you entered over here. You should enter the HTML of the banner, and maybe I should put that in the manual as well. Background color, accent color. Accent color is what I mean with, in this case, and you see it, this is the blue one. That is what's happening over here. This over there and down over here. Those I call accent colors, and maybe it's not the correct word, but you know what I mean. The page for the sitemap, the page for the contact. I haven't in this demo created a sitemap and a contact page, but if you do, you should select those. And over here, you select for the home page which category should be the one that is sliding. Over here, those other categories, top products and things like that. So I think those options speak for itself. Select any category that you like, and you're totally free to use it in any way. Okay, very simple I think, but if you run into anything, just let me know. I'm just here to help you. Thank you very much.